Welcome to all the trainers and researchers. This is Professor Zaid's, the place where we can learn how to do research using Pokemon examples because Pokemon is what really matters in life. So today, we're gonna learn about the different types of variables. Learning the differences is very important because we will need to analyze them. So, let's look into it. First, let's talk about the two main categories of the variables. Categorical and numerical. Now, categorical can be any kind of characteristic. For example, what is the typing of this Pokemon? Fire, flying, water. Is this Pokemon shiny? Yes? No? These are both examples of categorical variables. Now, moving to the numeric ones, they are also characteristics, but they can be defined by numeric variables. What's the height of these Pokemon? How many times has this player won a regionals tournament? The answers to both these questions are numbers, hence numeric variables. Now, since we have grasped that, let's move on to the subcategories. Categorical variables have two subcategories. They're nominal and ordinal. Nominal are the ones without labels with a natural order. For example, is this Pokemon female, male, or genderless? What trainer classes do we meet in Kanto Route 1 in Heart Gold and Soul Silver? School Kid and Ace Trainer. Even though an Ace Trainer is arguably stronger than a School Kid, they don't really have an actual order. Therefore, the variable is nominal. I should note that a special type of nominal categorical variable is one that has just two labels for a characteristic. And this variable that has just two is just a yes or no. This is shiny Pokemon? Yes, no. Pokemon has Pokerus? Yes, no. These ones, they're called binary variables. Also bear that in mind because they have special types of analysis just for them. Now, going to the ordinal variables, they are the ones that there is an order relation between the different categories of said variable. For example, asking during a survey what was your experience playing Heart Gold and Soul Silver. Was it very bad, bad, good, very good, or excellent? Which, it was the majority of the players, to be honest. Anyway, having this order where excellent is better than good makes this variable ordinal. Now, we should note that all the categorical variables can also be called qualitative. So bear that in mind, you might come across it. Now moving on to the numeric variables, which are the quantitative. They also have two subcategories, which is really neat because we have two of each and they're easier to remember. The first subcategory is continuous variables. Now these are the ones that are on a continuous scale. For example, the weight of a Pokemon. We have decimal points and everything, and we can be as specific as we want. So variables like height and weight, generally continuous variables. The second subcategory is discrete. So these are the variables that are also numeric, but they can only take a finite number of values. How many power points does this move have? 5, 8, 15? It cannot take values like 6.5, for example. So that brings it to contrast with the infinite values the weight can get. Another example of a discrete variable is the number of per trainer class we can fight in each route. So for route 1 in Heart Gold Soul Silver, that would be 2 schoolboys and 2 ace trainers. Now, what makes this variable discrete is that you cannot fight 2.5 ace trainers unless something goes horribly wrong, which it won't, so we just have perfectly nice and round numbers. Also, what makes this a numeric variable is that we are focusing on the number of trainers in each class. Whereas in the example that we had before, in the categorical variables, we just cared about the types of trainer classes. So that's a nice little difference to keep in mind for whenever you have a data set that you need to analyze. So these were the different types of variables. Hope you liked it, hope you found the examples useful. And let me know if you're interested in research, Pokemon research or any other kind of research, and if you'd like to see more of these types of videos where we will learn to do some more advanced analysis. Or, just learn the basics. The basics are fine too. Sometimes it's good to recheck your basic knowledge once in a while. This has been Professor Zades. Keep gaming, keep training, keep researching, and see you soon.